I told myself no more waiting, no more sitting on ideas I'd easily execute for clients. It's time to finally do it for me. So I'm building a video set for my new series. Let's go. This whole idea lived in my head for a while, and like most creative ideas, I almost overthought it. But once I started pulling things together, I realized how simple it actually was. The side table is $25. The chair, I've had it for 2 years. My cousin gave it to me. The rotary phone is $50. The rug I already had for about 1.5 years. And that's kind of the point. I think we overthink creative ideas way too much. We tell ourselves everything has to be next level, perfect, aesthetic, or expensive. But this is one project I'm really glad I executed instead of overthinking. I actually started with a paper backdrop, and at first it looked fine. But once I turned my lights on, it felt too bright and just too flat for what I wanted. I didn't have the depth that I wanted. So that's when I knew I needed to switch it up. And this felt way more like me. The green curtains, the orange chair, beige, the wood, and the gold accent, it worked so much for me, and I genuinely love it. This setup isn't about impressing anyone. It's about giving myself a space I can actually use consistently. And I'm really glad I didn't wait until it was better or bigger to do this. Because sometimes the win isn't making it perfect, it's just finally making it real. If I had waited until this was perfect, it probably wouldn't exist. And I didn't need it to be fancy. I just needed it to be doable. I'm really glad I didn't talk myself out of it. I don't know about you, but I'm executing ideas all 2026 and beyond. No more playing around, overthinking, why does it hurt to just try things? I'm over the hesitation, over the fear. We're executing all 2026. Okay.